Hi, welcome to everyone. Myself, T. Saravanan. Um, Welcome to one and all in the third international conference on evolutionary computing and mobile sustainable networks ICE-CMSN 2023, organized by Hindustan Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. My paper ID is 214. A title of my paper is Advanced EGAN IDS Framework for Resilience Against Adversarial Attacks Using Multi-Headed Attention Module, authored by myself, Deepa S. and Sasikumar P. The outline of my paper is problem statement, proposed design, generator design, the proposed methodology, results, conclusion, and followed by references. First, First, we are going to see about other problem statement. A network security depends heavily on its network intrusion detection system, that is NIDS, network intrusion detection system. Monitoring network traffic continuously and spotting any unusual activity is its main duty. Even though several methods such as machine learning based network intrusion detection systems that is machine learning intrusion detection systems have been put forth and put into practice to improve the detection of malicious network traffic. Many of studies that have already been done do not adequately replicate real world situations where new attack types are continuously emerging every time. Thus, more research is needed to determine how resistant intrusion detection systems are to adversarial and zero-day attacks. This is our problem statement. Moving to our proposed design. The proposed design is that enhanced generative adversarial network, that is EGAN, intrusion detection systems framework in the study creates hostile attack routes that are intended to avoid being discovered by 5 distinct black box machine learning based intrusion detection systems. Artificial neural networks and self-awareness processors are used by EGAN IDS to generate artificial adversarial attacks that are able to evade detection. To our evaluation results, EGAN IDS has produced adversarial patterns for a variety of attacks, which has reduced detection rates by an average of 15.93 for each of the 5 IDS. These conclusions highlight the model's resilience and broad applicability. This is all about our proposed design. Then the diagrammatic thing is, this is the input. Attack samples with noise is given to the generator, and the attention model contains the query plus key and values that move to the multi-headed EGAN. EGAN is there. Then it produces the output. In that, we are getting the malicious data and non-traffic data, which is produced into the black box intrusion detection system. It is moved to the discriminator, and the final loss is identified. This is the systematic view of the proposed EGAN model. So here comes the generator design. In the generator design, the following is the diagram which was produced by the generator design, followed by the discriminator design. The third one is the attention module, and the final last one is the black box intrusion detection system. Then moving to the proposed methodology, the structure provides the proposed methodology, multi-headed self-awareness. So queries, keys, and the values are the things moved to the FC, and it is moved to the scalar dot attention and scale dot attention, which is concatenated and moved to the, and finally we are getting the FC. Then here that queries, keys, and values are moving to the math multiplication scale, and we are masking that, and by using the softmax algorithm, once again we are using the math multiplication application, we are getting the final output. This is our proposed methodology. The proposed methodology consists of the fifth point called execution of EGAN by using the algorithm principle. The input we are giving that normal and malicious features like F1, F2 to F1, and we are getting the output in the form of by G. It contains the process like initialization, training process, training loop, discriminator training, discriminator output. Then by this we are getting the results as per the table. We are comparing with various machine learning algorithms, some support vector machine, KNN algorithm, Navian base, L or LSTM. This is the original traffic, and the traffic at adversarial. By using these algorithms, we are getting the values according to the parameters of accuracy, precision rate, recall, then F1 range. Then the comparison of the proposed EGAN performance based on the attacks, denial of service attack, probe, then U2R, baseline, FGM, JSMA, deep full, SGAN, IDS. These are the values that we have achieved. Then the final conclusion is all about our paper has efficiently addressed the formidable challenging of creating network flows capable of eluding detection by black box intrusion detection systems. Our innovative solution, the EGAN IDS framework, harnessed the power of self-attention mechanism and GAN to bolster the resilience of machine learning models in the realm of attack detection. The comprehensive evaluation of EGAN IDS conducted on diverse CICIDS 2017 dataset encompassing various attack types has yielded compelling results with an 81.93%. These results validate the resilience and broad application of our suggested method, eliminating a possible path forward for strengthening network security against dynamic adversarial threats. In the future works, we have planned to develop EGAN IDS variants that can adapt and respond dynamic adversarial attack patterns, ensuring the robustness of the system against ever-changing threats. By that, we are achieving the threats. Then, following the references, I have referred minimum of 25 references, as I have noted here like 10. The major paper I have took as a review on anomaly-based network intrusion detection system. In the conference paper that have taken place in Mysore, India. Then in the second paper of novel hierarchical intrusion detection system based on decision tree rules-based models. That is also a conference paper which was held in US. The third one is from a journal of supercomputing, a network intrusion detection using multi-architectural modular deep neural network. Then the next one is an journal paper, an efficient intrusion detection technique based on support vector machine and improved binary gravitational search algorithm. Then as follows. This is all about my research that I have did.